Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you a cool trick that prevents you random swiping on Flutter web. Now see, this is my web app. This is a Flutter web app, and over here if I have a touchpad or if I accidentally scroll left and right, then it's going to actually give a very bad user experience. For example, like this, as you see that it's gone, right? If I swipe to the left, then it shows up again. But definitely this is a very bad user experience, especially if you use a touchpad, okay, or random mouse scrolling left and right. Okay, so how to prevent this thing? Now since we are on Flutter web, actually we can enable a part of JavaScript over here, or I would say actually inject JavaScript, and this is the best solution because I have tried many of them, and some of them they work, some of them they're still shaky. But this piece of code, the one that you are going to see, this is amazing. So now this piece of code, I'm going to restart again because this is going to inject from the very beginning. So you need to restart your whole application. Hot reload is not going to work. Now this piece of code over here actually is going to inject JavaScript over here. As you can see that it's calling JS, which means for JavaScript, and calling the JavaScript concept, and then within it over here we are going to have this piece of code which is purely JavaScript. So if you ever worked with JavaScript or DOM management, DOM, then you know that this is a JavaScript. So all it does is it introduces wheel, okay, which means actually mouse scrolling. Now among them actually we are going to prevent the scrolling of left and right, or that means swipe, left and right swipe. Okay, so all it does, as you can see, that it takes the left and right swiping and prevent. Okay, it means it doesn't want you to scroll or swipe left and right, which is good. And then it completely disable this thing. Okay, so it's a very simple piece of code. Now over here we'll see that our application has started. Okay, now I'm gonna copy this and go to another tab over here. So currently there is no tab on it, and then I'm going to copy it. So this is going to load our application one more time in this new tab. And then, okay, so since this code has been enabled, so you will see that if I do left and right now, as you can see, I'm trying to do that. Of course, you cannot see it, but I'm trying to move left and right, but it just, you can go up and down. Okay, now this enables great user experience on Flutter web. Okay, so definitely go ahead and use this, and it can help you building great user experience and great Flutter app. Anyway, Flutter is the way to go. So come back to Flutter, forget about everything else. Okay, Flutter is good for your future development of app and web app or any kind of application. Go with pretty much with Flutter.